Well, if you're out there fishing and it's midsummer, you probably know that worm harnesses are one of the most incredibly successful ways to get walleye in the summertime. Either straight worm harness if the fish are shallow and darker, rough waters, or add a little weight or a bottom bouncer and drag it behind. What I find with worm harnesses, and it depends on the day, is I'll get a lot of hits where they're on and I think I'm going to get them, but they're off again. It just doesn't have the hooking power of a treble hook. So frequently I'll buy stinger hooks and put them on the end of the second hook. I'll add a stinger. But I've started doing it a little easier. So these are number 10 trebles, and I like really tiny treble hooks. This hook, the smaller the hook is, the sharper it is, and these are like razors. Anything that's tiny will hook even the largest fish. It'll hook through the skin on the lips of the bone or whatever, whereas another hook would have to penetrate the hard parts of the bone in the mouth to get the fish. So the little hooks, don't let anyone tell you a little hook doesn't work, because it does. So all I do is I take this tiny treble hook and I put it on the other hook, like so. Instead of a stinger, it just gives me that three-dimensional hooking power if they actually grab onto this. And to make it stay put, I take a pair of lineman pliers, any pliers that have a wire cutter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to crimp this, and I'm going to crimp it so that the opening, the eyelet on the treble, I'm going to close it. So I'm hoping this is in focus here. So I turn it so that I can crimp that opening shut, and hoping again this shows up, I'm going to crimp the top of that hole. So I'm just squeezing it, and there we go. So if you can see this now, and I hope that's in focus now, that eyelet is completely closed. It's tight on this hook and it will not slide off past, I can't even get it to the barb. It will not slide off. Makes a great addition, and it's super simple and easy compared to the price of a stinger hook. And now I've got that tiny treble, which I love on anything when I'm walleye fishing. When they're biting gently or whatever, or they're not holding on to it tight, when you give it just a bit of a hook set, if this is in their mouth, you will get them. It's very rare you miss them when you have that hook on. Anyway, I hope that was easy to see. And in any case, give that a try if you're finding that you get ripped off on your worm harness often. And instead of trying a stinger, just add that treble. Again, sometimes I'll throw a little spinner or anything on there. I add larger blades sometimes, just slide them over the top of my line. You can see these ones here have the larger Colorado blade on top. Adds a lot more flash. Sometimes it makes a big difference. Anyway, if you're out walleye fishing and you want to try something a little different that's super simple to do, just give that a shot. Anyway, if you found that useful, please like and subscribe.